Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to combine two images into one in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see combine two images into one. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from. Now click from open and place option. Now you select from two picture. Now click for open. Now resize your picture. Now you can see, then you select from tool layer. Now select from tool layer. Now keyboard press from control and click. Now keyboard mouse start button option, then click. Now click from clipping mask option. That it's. Now you can see combine two images into one in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank